nais ko lang batiin ang babaeng bumiyag ng puso ko. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo guys. Welcome to Choco Loco Vlogs. Kamusta mga kaloko at kaidolo ko? At ngayon nga, gusto kong batiin ng happy birthday ang aking partner na si Ina Victoria Santos, aka Pepering ng buhay ko. Mahal, salamat dahil alam kong lagi kang nandyan para sa akin. At ganun din ako para sa iyo. Salamat sa mga asaran, sa lahat ng memories na pinagsamahan natin. At sa pagmamahal na walang asawang binibigay mo. Pangako, mas marami pang masasayang moments ang darating sa atin. Sa araw na ito, gusto ko lang ipaalala sa iyo na hindi lang ako ang nagmamahal sa iyo. Nandito rin ang pamilya ko, ang mga kaibigan natin at mga katrabaho. Hindi ka nag-iisa, kaya always be grateful sa lahat ng meron ka. I love you so much, mahal. Happy birthday. Deserve mong maging masaya araw-araw. At heto ang mga taong laging nakakaalala at nagmamahal sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Ina! Happy birthday, Ina!
Happy birthday, Ina.
Happy birthday, Ina. Ina May.
Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Time is gold.
Happy birthday, Ina!
Happy birthday, Ina!
Wow, Mamarisa, ikaw naman, oh. Vlog to. Talagang gusto mo? Ayun niya. Ayun niya, oh. Batiin mo siya. Ina, ano?
Wait a minute!
Batiin mo si Ina.
Who are you?
Happy birthday, Ina. Dahil nga.
Happy birthday, Ina.
Oh yes.
Take two.
Birthday, Ina!
Happy birthday, Ina!
Hi, Ina! Happy birthday! More siomay to come! Happy birthday, Ina! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Tita Ina. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Ina. More birthday to come. Awak mo. Ako
Happy birthday, Tita Ina! More birthdays to come!
Happy birthday sa'yo, friend. Naway patuloy kang maging mabuti sa iyong kapwa. Alam mo na yan, mahal kita. Yun lang. Love you.
Hi, Ina! Happy birthday! I'm so excited to meet you soon. And sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. And I wish you more birthday to come and enjoy your birthday. And yun lang. Love lots. See you soon, girl. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hi, Ate Ina. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Tita Ina. More birthday to come. God bless. MBT. Want to say happy birthday to you.
Greetings from HG.
Give me an N.
Go. Happy birthday! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Ina. Happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day. Wishing you great health and more love.
Hi na, happy birthday. Sana kumaba pa yung buhay, hindi pala 90 pa. Kumaba pa ang buhay nyo. Tapos yung pagtrabaho mo, sana mahusay. Hindi ka ano kay Joko. Okay, thank you. Happy birthday.
It's your day, hip hooray. shining bright today. Cake and friends, a happy cheer. Let's all sing, your song is here. Happy birthday, clap your hands, jump around, do a dance. Smile so big, it's party time. Let's make wishes, shine and shine. Balloons high up in the air, love and laughter everywhere. One more hug, one more cheer. We're so glad that you are here. Happy birthday, clap your hands, jump around, do a dance. Smile so big, it's party time. Let's make wishes, shine and shine.
Thank
It's
you,
your day.